What's up, everyone? Today we are going to go to this HEB car wash in Tomball at the Highway 99. And we got a Protouch tandem over here. Got your wash packages. I'm going to wait until this truck's gone. Oh, look at this. Fun fact with this technique. As for pickup trucks for tandem Protouch, instead of the top rows came down to the bed, they use the blasters to get the bed, to clean the bed. But for SUVs and cars, they don't do that. They just go all the way to the back. But for trucks, they do that. So very smart way of tandem do that. And they do the same thing to the right touch. All right, let's do this.
Please insert your... Please select your wash package.
We're gonna go for the ultimate. Why is there 4 options? Okay, let's go for the ultimate.
Please
Damn it, it's our receipt. Lights done, roof. All right, everything's closed. I think you're good. Oh, look at that, the blasters. That's funny. Look at the wheel scrubbers. Yeah, I think you're pretty good. Stop. Turn that off. Whoa, okay, that was unexpected. Looks like they need to put some oil in this thing. A little watery coverage for pre-soak, but it's not too bad. It's better than the one we went to Grand Road with my van. With the van, I meant. I don't have a car yet, so yeah. Right, top pressure kicked in. Yep, there we go. Takes for a while. Whoa, okay. Yep. Do your thing. Actually, my phone up 4K, sorry. It's real filthy, this car, so hopefully get it clean. So far, I'm pretty happy with the pre-soak. Here we go. Wash begin. Oh, I see. The truck was different, don't say. Yeah, it may be too big, or he purchased too long. I think it was too long. But he purchased the basic wash. I remember now, these tandem does that. It doesn't go to the back to the brushes. That's good with trucks. But it's probably better to get a mid-size truck than just get a bigger, Let's see, wheel scrubber will work, I hope. Oh, it's working. Yeah, it's working, the wheel scrubber. He probably did purchase the basic. That's why. Man, I keep finding those systems. They're actually really good. One complaint to fix. The blasters is probably... Yeah, the blasters need to be fixed. I don't know why it's going off. Triphone and rinse at the same time. And another complaint to this thing, please put some oil to this thing. It's making a weird noise. Thank God we folded in the mirrors to get got kind of close to the mirrors. Holy moly. They need to. They need to poop. It's good to brush the coating thing, but maybe just a little far. But I think like that's good better. For me, it's a little close. A little too close. Yeah, too close. Oh gosh. Got video evidence. Right? Let's see that. Yep, it works. As always, I told you it works. Whoa, it jerked. Whoa, okay. Yeah, let me. Yeah, it's just some bugs in the windshield, you know. Let's clean that off, yeah. There we go. Okay. HEB cars is usually popular, just saying. Now we're getting luster shine. Which is basically water. There's no chemical product like suds, you know.
Oh no.
Well, I think it's like that.
Have to be in a kind of chill.
Yeah, it is lustra. It is lustra. I think it's like that. I'm not really good with chemicals, but yeah, with a perfect coverage, you gotta be just a tiny suds. But I think that's a alright coverage, you know. Oh yeah, it was lustra. I remember. Yeah, it looks different. All right. Gotta rinse, and we should get the spot-free rinse and dries at the same time. Yep, there we go, spot-free rinse. We got Max air dryer. Let's see how they do. And by the way, this is at the Glenrock Farms. Yes, that's on board. Remember? Yeah, it will go when the sign tell you, right? Very bad. The dryers are doing a bad job. Yeah, it's not drying anything. Dang. Yeah, it's doing a horrible job. It's not like literally drying anything. See, hopefully you get a second pass. If it's first, whatever. Usually sometimes they do second passes. Yeah, I don't think I remember they don't do second pass. I remember now. They don't do it. You got your rinse arch over here. You can see the holes. Oh, it's kind of hard to see, but yeah. I saw the rinse arch. Dang, it's dripping water. Alright. And that will be it. Dryers is horrible. Good. That's not scratch. Did a pretty good job. It did remove the dirt and everything. Pretty good. For the cleanness. Oh my freaking god. There's a little dent on the car. There's a dent. I think that was his car wash. It was not there before. It was not there. Touch it.
Can I
screw this car wash. I don't know what to give. I'll give it a 3 out of 10. It damaged the car. Bye.